Meaning of disinterestedly.
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 Disinterestedly. The word disinterestedly refers to a state of being impartial or unbiased. It means that someone is not influenced by personal interests or feelings when making a decision or taking action. When people act disinterestedly, they are able to make objective judgments and remain fair and neutral in their dealings with others. This can be an important trait in professions like law, journalism, and research where objectivity is highly valued. Ultimately, acting disinterestedly is about putting aside personal biases and considering the facts and evidence in order to arrive at a fair and just conclusion.